My Ford GPW has been off the road since June 2023, due to a leaking cylinder head gasket. House and garden projects limited my time last year, and I had no interest messing around over the cold winter months. Part of the problem was a stripped thread in the center of the cylinder block. It looked like it had already been stripped once before and a larger thread cut. I turned a new larger insert from a hardened bolt, and cut a new thread to match in the engine block. That was threaded internally for a standard size head stud. I did the repairs and put it all back together over the last few days, and this is its first run. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.